guys, welcome back to my channel. Wishing you all a very happy Navaratri. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can do a bun hairstyle in your short hairs, because in long hairs doing a bun is very easy, but in shorter hairs like mine it gets a little bit difficult. But no worries, I am here to help you out. There are some very easy bun hairstyles you all can try out. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So let us start with the first hairstyle. For that, two section of hairs in the front. What I will do is I will take this section, I'll pin it up here. If you want, you can just leave some sections of hairs at the front. Now what I will do is I will take a small section of hairs from here and a small section of hairs from this side. I will take it back . So this was all guys. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I am up with a new video. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.